Hello beauty, so I'm starting off with freshly washed and braided hair. I didn't use any feed-in hair, just my natural hair. So as usual, I'm using my after braid oil and I'm just applying it in between the braids and just massage it into my scalp. And this is gonna help with flaky and itchy scalp, just to keep the braids looking fresh as long as possible before wash day. So now I'm putting my hair in a bun, and you want to make the bun small so that your attachment of the ponytail can go over it and so it won't be visible. So I am using Goddess crochet braids. The pack I got came in like 11 strands, so I just hooked it on a hair tie that I had and then just made it like a ponytail. So I just put the ponytail over my bun and just tied my hair around twice, then flipped the ponytail back on top of my hair to cover the bun. I hope that makes sense. I usually wear this hair in 3 styles. So this is the first hairstyle in a long ponytail. And like I said earlier, I only had like 11 strands to this, so it was a bit thin. So I got another packet later on to make it thicker. And I'm just playing around with the hair to see what kind of hairstyle I can come up with. So this is the second hairstyle that from the 3 that I usually wear my hair as. So I just leave 2 strands of the braids out in front and just clip the rest of the hair back, so I have like a bun with leave out in front. So I really do like this style. It's a very pretty and cute hairstyle. And now I'm just gonna put the 2 leave out around the bun and just wear it as a bun as well. So there you go. This is the 3rd look that I wear the hair in. A cute simple bun. And now I'm just gonna do my edges, and usually I like using this eyebrow brush that I don't use anymore. I find that it has a lot more grip, so this is what I usually would use, or else a toothbrush, but usually I carry this around always with me. So after using the pomade wax for my edges, I go over it with my Eco Styler gel, and this helps to smooth out the consistency of the pomade. That's why I really like to go over it with this one. Any gel would do though. And this is how my hair looks. And sometimes I like to spice up the look, so I add a bit of hair jewelry in front and on the bun. So I really love that I can have these different looks with this one ponytail. And let me know if you will try this too. It's a very quick and easy style if you can braid or twist your natural hair, or if you have someone who can braid your hair to wear your hair like this. That will be so awesome to see. And the cool thing about this hairstyle that I love is I don't have to use any feed-in hair, because I'm still trying to braid my hair, and that's why this is like the go-to look for me that I wear my hair and style my hair as. For this style, I didn't blow out my hair, but if you wanna do a blowout, that's also really cool. I'll do that one time and show you the video, but for now it's just natural hair with my ponytail.